Hey, what's up, you guys? Marty Shorts here. Just kidding. Gonna bring you a classic song lesson here, and it's actually got fuck. It's a classic. I'm high. 4 chords, but they're all the great beginner easy chords. So it's a great one, crowd pleaser, and it's easy. So we'll zoom in. I'll break down the chords in a rhythm for you, and also just let you know that this is where I'm at now. This is just liking the spin and break this one down though. So here we go. I pull my finger. Yeah. Just kidding. I'm high E. Second rhythm from the